Most people get confused about Mistplay points because the numbers constantly change. One person says you need a certain amount for a $10 gift card, someone else says a completely different number, and suddenly nobody knows what's accurate anymore. Here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay reward values can vary slightly depending on your country, reward type, and app updates. But there's a simple way to check the exact amount instantly. In this video, I'll show you how many Mistplay points you usually need for a $10 gift card in 2026, why the number sometimes changes, and the fastest way to earn points without wasting hours on low-paying games. Let's get straight into it. In most cases, a $10 gift card on Mistplay costs somewhere around 3,000 to 4,000 units, or points. The exact number depends on the gift card brand and your region. For example, Alex in the US might see a different point requirement compared to John in Canada or India. Amazon, Google Play, Visa, and Starbucks rewards can also have slightly different redemption values. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay doesn't always use the same pricing system every month. Sometimes rewards go on sale, and sometimes point requirements increase slightly during updates. So if you really want the accurate number, open the Mistplay app right now and go to the reward section. Once you're there, scroll to the $10 gift card you want. Directly below the reward, you'll see the exact unit requirement. This is where most people fail. They keep searching online for outdated numbers instead of checking directly inside the app. But here's the problem. Even if you know the required points, earning them efficiently is a completely different challenge. A lot of new users download random games and barely make progress. Meanwhile, experienced users focus only on games with high multipliers and bonus rewards. For example, Jake played low-paying puzzle games for days and earned very little. Then he switched to boosted games with streak bonuses and doubled his points much faster. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to speed this up. First, always complete daily tasks inside Mistplay. Second, maintain your login streaks. Third, focus on games marked with higher earning rates instead of installing every game you see. Also, leveling up in a game usually earns more points than simply leaving the app open. That's an important difference many users ignore. Now here's another thing nobody talks about. Mistplay sometimes gives special promotions where certain games temporarily offer bonus units. If you catch those promotions early, you can reach a $10 reward much faster. So to recap, most $10 gift cards in Mistplay usually require around 3,000 to 4,000 points in 2026, but the exact amount depends on your location and reward type. Always verify the latest number directly inside the app, focus on high-paying games, and use streak bonuses to earn faster. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with how many points you currently have on Mistplay. And if you want more updated Mistplay guides for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.